We're doing 6 challenge. So I've selected the sheet. Step 2, auto fit column width columns A to E. We hover over column A, click and drag to column E. Hover between the letters and double click to auto format their width. We can also do that with the cells group with the format drop menu and choose auto fit column width. Step 3, we need to select rows 3 to 14. Click on the 3 and drag down to row 14. We can now hover between two numbers and click and drag to adjust the height. We have now 30 pixels with a height of 22.5 showing, so we release the mouse. We can also use the format drop menu to choose row height and type in that number which we've already entered. Step 4, select row 10 by clicking on the 10, and we can delete this by right clicking and choosing delete. I won't do that. Or we can go up to the cells group and choose delete. Step 5, insert a column to the left of column C. So we select column C and we click on insert. Type secondary contact in cell C2. So we type in capitals and press enter. Step 6, make sure C2 is still selected. When I pressed enter, it moved the selection down. So I go back to C2 and I need to choose wrap text. In the alignment group, I hover over the wrap text and click on that. And that wraps the text so it's showing it over 2 lines. Step 7. I need to select cells A1 to F1. So I click in A1 and drag to F1. Now we need to merge and center. I go to the alignment group and choose the merge and center icon and just click directly on it. Step 8, hide the billing address and phone columns. So billing address is column D, phone is column E. So I click and drag on those. So to hide them, I can actually make their width 0 by clicking on one of their column dividers and going across till it's 0. That will hide them. Step 10, we save our work. Control S or click on the save icon if you've got it at the top, or go to File and choose Save.